Alright, so due to some technical difficulties, this video you're going to see was supposed to be connected to the last video. But me being the genius editor I am, I edited it out and found out about it later. That's what this video is going to be. It's going to be more an addendum than an actual video. But you will be able to see mounting the body to the top, shaping it, routing it, all that stuff. This kind of get us all squared away with the actual body shape. And that way next time we can start fresh with the neck. Alright, check it out. Alright, so here I'm cutting out the top after it's glued together. What I ended up doing with this one is, because I messed up his guitar before, I decided not to make a template and just use this top as the template. So I'm cutting it as close to the line as possible, and then I will shape it to the line, sand it to the line. That way I can use it for a template. Yeah, there's nobody holding the camera there that moved by itself. Not quite sure how that happened. Here I'm doing a dry run just to make sure I have all the clamps set roughly to where they need to be, and any cauls I need. Try to spread the glue thin but not too thin. Some areas got too thin, I had to add some more glue. If you do a dry run first, then your clamps are, you don't have to monkey around with your clamps being too open and wasting time. They'll be pretty close to where you need them. Line up the back to the center line. Even when you do a dry run, sometimes things don't work out the way you planned them. As I find out here, I used the wrong caul in this section. It's too short. There it is. Idiot. Not putting any real pressure on them because the glue is really slick, so I'm just kind of applied enough pressure just to keep the clamp in place. And then here I notice that my center line at the top is moved. It's one of the benefits of not being extremely tight. You can do slight modifications as you go. Now that we're all dry, take the clamps off, all the cauls off. You can finish trimming the body to the top, get it close enough so that I can route it anyway. I think it's time for a new blade. That was getting kind of dull. work close, I'm going to use the, like I said, use the top as a template and route the body to it. I had a couple nasty tear outs I had to deal with. One up on this upper horn here, and the other one right about here. There it is. There it is. Yep. So here I'm trying to do a little horn redesign and get rid of most of that tear out. Again, apologize for the editing mix-up, but now we're all seem to be all caught up to speed. Next video will be working on the neck, starting the neck blank, cutting it out. We'll see how far we can get with it. All right. So please like and subscribe, leave me a comment, all that good stuff. All right. See ya.